Video pala. I wanted only a picture na video pala. Ito na.
I just say
Nakpan Beach, guys, is a very long, wide sand beach, and it's like brownish white, powdery white. And as usual here, there are still a lot of Filipino dogs. So I'm going there to get a picture or video of Laura. I hope you can see the sunset later, because this is a good spot for a nice sunset. Can you imagine, guys, still there, oh, the white sand. You have to walk or drive a motorbike. And this is the front of the resort. This is mostly Filipino place. No big resort yet is making. So I think it's because it's so far from the city, from the El Nido. If you are in El Nido, you just come here and have a swim. And look, it's so nice. It's so clear water. Oh, that's Laura's favorite, this one. She likes like this when it's rough sea. This is the overall view of Nakpan Beach. So for those who is not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the icon and follow my Facebook page, Jollibee Joss. And thank you so much. Till my next live or video here in Palawan. digging sand? You're digging there? Oh, there's a lot of dogs here in Palawan. That's the only thing I can say, that they have a lot of dogs by the sea, by the shore. So I won't walk till the end of the beach in Nakpan. I'll just stop till here, and I walk quite far, and they are there behind, maybe with the red flags there. That's where they are. See you, and thanks for another bright day. Hello, hello! I'm here at the sunset in Nakpan Beach. Oh, we have a nice sunset. And we're going to eat dinner here in a beautiful place, Nakpan Beach. Bye! Mud monkey pala dito, guys. So ito na, evening na po, time check 6 o'clock, and there is a bike on the road again, on the beach again. Okay, we are going to eat our dinner here, and then we go back to El Nido.